Hello, and welcome back to Timeless Wisdom. Ever wondered how the finest hotels in the world manage to keep their kitchens smelling so fresh and spotless? That signature aroma you notice the moment you step into a restaurant, the one that makes you think, how do they maintain such a clean, welcoming atmosphere? Well, today, I'm going to share with you a few secrets I've learned from the professionals working in luxury hotels. You might be surprised to learn that these experts don't rely on expensive cleaning products or hard-to-find tools. Instead, they stick to simple, effective technique zones that anyone can use at home. These everyday methods create the perfect environment that makes you feel good about cooking and impresses anyone who steps into your kitchen. Think about it. When your kitchen smells professionally clean, you feel more inspired to cook, proud of your home, and confident when you invite guests over. Today, I'll be revealing 10 tried and true tricks I learned from those who keep the world's best hotels spotless. These are techniques they use daily to maintain that perfect kitchen ambiance. And the best part? You can start using them today with the items you probably already have in your home. Stick around until the end, and I'll share the ultimate tip, the one trick that can completely transform the scent of your kitchen in just 15 minutes. Tip 1. The power of flavored vapor. The first technique that luxury hotels use religiously is something they call scented steam cleaning. It sounds complicated, but it's simpler than you might think. The problem that many people face is that even after cleaning everything, there's still that smell of food, grease, or even cleaning products mixed together, which is not at all pleasant. The solution is in a common pot that you have in your kitchen. Boil 2 L of water and add 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 lemon slices, and 2 bay leaves. Let this mixture boil for 5 minutes and then lower the heat, maintaining only a gentle steam. The secret is to let steam circulate throughout the kitchen for at least 20 minutes. With the windows closed, what happens is incredible. The hot steam carries the natural aromatic particles of lemon and bay leaves, while the baking soda neutralizes all the unwanted odors that are impregnated in the surfaces, fabrics, and even in the air. It's as if you were giving your entire kitchen an aromatic bath, eliminating not only the bad smells, but replacing them with a fresh, natural aroma. After 20 minutes, you can open the windows and let the air circulate. The result is a kitchen that is not only clean, but also has that characteristic smell of a professionally sanitized environment. Do this once a week, and you will notice that your kitchen always has that pleasant aroma that makes you feel like you are in a 5-star hotel. Tip 2. The scented damp cloth technique. In the best hotels in the world, there's one rule that's never broken. Every surface must be wiped down with a damp scented cloth. This solves a problem that most people don't even realize they have. When you wipe down countertops, appliances, and cabinets with different products, each one leaves its own unique scent, creating a confusing mix of aromas that's not very professional. The technique involves preparing a special solution that you will use to give the finishing touch to all surfaces. In a spray bottle, mix 500 ml of warm water, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of alcohol, and 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Eucalyptus and lavender are the most used by professionals because they have natural antibacterial properties and leave a clean, sophisticated scent. After you finish your regular cleaning routine, spray the solution onto a clean microfiber cloth and wipe down all surfaces in your kitchen: countertops, stove, refrigerator, microwave, cabinets, everything. The vinegar will remove any remaining grease or soap residue. The alcohol will disinfect and evaporate quickly, and the essential oil will leave a subtle, long-lasting scent. The result is a kitchen where all surfaces smell equally pleasant, creating the aromatic harmony that is a hallmark of luxury establishments. In addition, this solution creates an invisible protective layer that repels dust and makes cleaning easier in the coming days. It's as if you're sealing your kitchen with a professional scent that lasts much longer than any ordinary air freshener. Tip 3. The secret to scented drains. One of the main differences between a regular kitchen and a five-star hotel kitchen is in a place that few people think about: the drains. This is the point that causes the most bad smells in any kitchen. But professionals treat it with a specific technique that completely eliminates the problem. The biggest mistake most people make is trying to cover up the smell of the drain with scented products. This doesn't work because the problem lies in the bacteria and food debris that build up in the trap. Luxury hotels attack the root cause with a solution that cleans deeply and leaves a pleasant aroma for weeks. Prepare a mixture with half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of coarse salt, and the juice of 2 lemons. Pour this mixture directly into the drain and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then boil 2 L of water with 3 mint leaves and pour it all down the drain at once. The chemical reaction of the baking soda and lemon creates a foam that removes all the grease and dirt, while the salt acts as a natural abrasive, cleaning the walls of the pipe. The boiling water and mint finish the process, killing any remaining bacteria and leaving a fresh scent that wafts up the drain. Do this once a week, and you'll never have to worry about bad smells coming from your drains again. Plus, this technique prevents blockages and keeps your plumbing system running smoothly, just like they do in the most demanding hotels in the world. Tip 4. The magic of the aromatic oven. In five-star hotels, there's a technique they use to ensure that even the oven contributes to the pleasant aroma of the kitchen. The problem with ovens is that they accumulate odors from all the food that has been prepared. And even after cleaning, they can release unpleasant odors when heated. The professional technique begins with a specific cleaning. After cleaning your oven normally, prepare a paste with baking soda, a few drops of mild detergent, and lemon juice. Spread this paste on the inside walls of the oven, avoiding the heating elements, and let it act for 30 minutes. Then remove everything with a damp cloth. Now comes the aromatic part. Place a baking tray with water in the oven and add orange peel, a few rosemary leaves, and 2 cloves. Turn the oven on to the lowest temperature for 20 minutes. The steam from this mixture will impregnate all the internal surfaces of the oven with a natural and pleasant aroma. The results are impressive. Every time you use your oven from now on, it will release a subtle, sophisticated aroma instead of the lingering odors of old food. It's like having an aroma diffuser built into your most important appliance. Plus, this technique helps keep your oven cleaner for longer because the antibacterial properties of the natural ingredients create a protective barrier on the interior surfaces. Tip 5. The trick of always smelling a fridge. A smelly fridge can completely ruin the ambiance of a kitchen, and luxury hotels know this all too well. They have a specific technique to ensure that the fridge always contributes positively to the overall aroma of the kitchen rather than being a source of problems. The first step is to do a deep cleaning with a special solution. Mix warm water with 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Use this solution to clean all shelves, drawers, and interior walls. The baking soda neutralizes odors, while the vinegar eliminates bacteria and fungi that can cause bad odors. After cleaning comes the aromatic secret. Take a small cup and put inside a mixture of baking soda with a few drops of lemon or eucalyptus essential oil. Place this cup at the back of the refrigerator behind the other items. Change this mixture every 15 days. But the most professional trick is this. Always keep a small bowl of coffee beans in the refrigerator compartment. Coffee naturally absorbs odors and releases a subtle, pleasant aroma. Also, place some dried bay leaves in the vegetable drawers. They have antifungal properties and leave a subtle but very pleasant aroma. With these techniques, your refrigerator will always smell great. And when you open the door, you'll smell that fresh, clean aroma that's characteristic of the best hotels. It's a difference you'll notice right away, and it will make your entire kitchen look more professional and well kept. Tip 6. The scented cleaning cloths technique. One of the best kept secrets in five-star hotels is how they treat their cleaning cloths. The problem most people face is that even clean cloths can develop a musty or damp smell, and they end up spreading this odor throughout the kitchen while cleaning. The professional solution starts at the time of washing. After washing your cloths normally in the machine, add half a cup of white vinegar to the softener compartment and run an extra rinse cycle. The vinegar completely removes any soap residue and neutralizes odors that may be embedded in the fabric, but the trick is to dry the cloth. Prepare a solution with 1 liter of water, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, which has natural antibacterial properties. Soak the clean cloths in this solution for 10 minutes, then wring them out well and let them air dry. The result is impressive. You'll have cloths that not only clean better, but that leave a pleasant aroma on every surface they touch. It's as if each wipe of the cloth is scenting your kitchen rather than just cleaning it. In addition, cloths treated in this way last much longer without developing unpleasant odors, even when used frequently. Always prepare 3 or 4 cloths this way and keep them in a ventilated place. This way, you will always have cloths available that contribute to the professional aroma of your kitchen, just like they do in the best establishments in the world. Tip 7. The power of aromatic plants in the kitchen. One of the most elegant techniques used by luxury hotels is to incorporate live aromatic plants into the kitchen decor. This solves 2 problems at once. It purifies the air naturally and releases fresh aromas constantly without the need for artificial products. Choosing the right plants is essential. Basil, rosemary, mint, and lavender are the most popular plants used by professionals because they are hardy, easy to care for, and release natural essential oils that purify the air. Place these plants in small pots near the kitchen window where they receive natural light but not direct sunlight. The secret is how to use these plants to enhance their aroma. Once a week, spray the leaves with pure water and gently run your hand over them. This releases more essential oils into the air and intensifies the natural aroma. When you're cooking, chop a few fresh leaves and leave them in a small bowl near the stove. The heat will intensify the aroma and perfume the entire kitchen. In addition to their aromatic benefits, these plants absorb toxins from the air and release oxygen, creating a healthier environment. It's like having an all-natural air purification system running 24/7 in your kitchen. The result is a kitchen that always smells naturally fresh with aromas that subtly change throughout the day as the plants release their essential oils. It's a sophisticated technique that adds life and aroma to your kitchen in a completely natural and elegant way. Tip 8. The magic of scented closets. Kitchen cabinets are the biggest culprits when it comes to unpleasant odors, especially those where we store cleaning products, trash, or utensils that can accumulate moisture. 5-star hotels have a specific technique to ensure that even the inside of the cabinets contributes to the pleasant aroma of the kitchen. The first step is to thoroughly clean the inside of all cabinets. Remove everything and wipe down the shelves and interior walls with a solution of warm water, white vinegar, and a few drops of mild detergent. Let dry completely before replacing items. Now comes the aromatic trick. Prepare small cloth bags and fill them with a mixture of baking soda, a few dried bay leaves, and dried lemon peel. Place one of these bags in the back of each cupboard behind the other items. The baking soda absorbs moisture and odors, while the bay leaves and lemon release soft, natural scents. For cabinets that store cleaning products, use a special technique. Tape a cloth soaked in eucalyptus essential oil to the inside of the door. Change the cloth every month. Eucalyptus neutralizes chemical odors and leaves a clean medicinal scent. The result is that even when you open the cupboards, you can smell that fresh, clean aroma that is the hallmark of the best hotels. In addition, this technique prevents the formation of mold and bacteria, keeping your utensils and products in a healthy and aromatic environment. Tip 9. The secret to always aromatic countertops. The countertop is the heart of any kitchen, and luxury hotels have a specific technique to ensure that it always smells professional and pleasant. The problem with countertops is that they absorb odors from everything that is prepared there, from garlic and onions to cleaning products. The professional technique begins with a special aromatic treatment. After cleaning the countertop as usual, prepare a paste with baking soda, a few drops of lemon essential oil, and a little water. Spread this paste over the entire surface and let it sit for 15 minutes. Then remove it with a damp cloth. The next step is to apply what they call an aromatic sealant. Mix rubbing alcohol with a few drops of lavender essential oil in a spray bottle. Spray the solution onto your countertop and spread it around with a microfiber cloth. The alcohol disinfects and evaporates quickly, leaving only the subtle scent of lavender. But the most powerful secret is to maintain a daily aromatic routine. Every night before you go to bed, wipe your entire countertop with a cloth lightly dampened with this aromatic solution. In the morning, your kitchen will have that fresh, clean scent that makes you feel like you're in a 5-star hotel. To further enhance the effect, always keep a small vase with coarse salt and a few drops of essential oil on the countertop. The salt absorbs moisture from the air and releases the aroma gradually throughout the day. It's like having a natural diffuser built into your countertop. Tip 10. The ultimate pro technique. We come to the most powerful technique of all, the one that the best hotels in the world consider their most valuable secret. It's what they call aromatic nebulization, and it's what makes the difference between a clean kitchen and a kitchen with a truly professional aroma. The technique uses the power of steam to carry natural aromas to every corner of the kitchen. You will need a regular humidifier, or you can improvise with an electric rice cooker. Add pure water, and for every liter of water, use 10 drops of eucalyptus essential oil, 5 drops of lemon, and 3 fresh mint leaves. Turn on the appliance and let it run for 30 minutes with all the doors and windows in the kitchen closed. The steam carries the essential oils to every corner, impregnating surfaces, fabrics, and even the air with a long-lasting professional aroma. It's like giving your entire kitchen an aromatic bath. The most impressive thing is that this aroma lasts for days, not hours. Every time you enter the kitchen, you will smell that characteristic, professionally clean smell that you only find in luxury hotels. Visitors will ask what product you use because the aroma is completely different from any commercial air freshener. Do this technique once a week, always on the same day. You will create a routine that keeps your kitchen smelling professional at all times. It is the finishing touch that transforms an ordinary kitchen into a truly sophisticated and pleasant environment. Final thoughts. Now you have access to the 10 best-kept secrets from 5-star hotels for keeping your kitchen smelling fresh and professional. These techniques are simple, yet incredibly effective, using ingredients you probably already have at home. The best part? They make a world of difference in the final result. The key isn't to rely on expensive, complicated products. It's all about applying these techniques consistently. Start with 2 or 3 of these tips this week and gradually work in the others. Within just a few days, you'll notice a remarkable transformation, with your kitchen smelling like the pristine spaces in the finest hotels. A kitchen with a pleasant aroma is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's the kind of environment that makes you feel proud in your own home, encourages you to cook more, and helps you welcome guests with confidence. And now, you know exactly how to make that happen. I challenge you to pick 3 of these techniques and implement them in your kitchen today. Come back and let me know in the comments which one made the most significant difference. I'm sure you'll be amazed by the results. If you haven't subscribed to Timeless Wisdom yet, don't wait any longer. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more helpful tips and secrets. Every week, I bring you more cleaning and organizing tricks to transform your home into a place you love. Your dream kitchen is only a few techniques away, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.